All right, we're talking about rules and laws, and which is which? Well, first we have to know what a rule is. A rule is something that you follow to keep yourself and others safe. This is like staying quiet in fire drills when we walk out of the classroom nice and quietly and we're walking and we've got our finger over our lips. That's a rule that we have in order to keep you safe so that you can hear directions. A rule is something that you follow to keep yourself safe. A law is a special type of rule. A law is a rule everyone in the community must obey. Stopping at red lights is a law. See my little red light person? Everyone has to stop at a red light, no matter who you are, right? Only people that don't stop at red lights sometimes are policemen, ambulances, fire trucks. That's because they are able to go and help people, and so they need to go through those red lights. But what's special about them? Yeah, they have all those lights and sirens, right? You can hear them coming. Everyone else in the community has to stop at those red lights. Sometimes people make a mistake and they run the red light, and that's okay. Sometimes it's a mistake, but it can be very dangerous if we run the red light, right? So that's why it's a law. If a policeman sees someone run the red light, they can get pulled over. They might get a ticket because that mistake was very dangerous. So a law is just a rule that everyone in the community has to follow. Laws are special types of rules. Some of the rules you might have at home might be to keep your room clean so that you don't fall over things. That's a good rule. At the dinner table, to make sure that you have to eat or at least try a veggie, right? That's to keep you healthy. Those rules are keeping you safe. Laws are things that everyone has to follow, and they are enforced. There are things that can happen if you don't follow the laws, right? So laws are those special rules that everyone has to follow. Stopping at red lights, no stealing things from stores. Doesn't belong to you. You didn't pay for it. That's a law. It's against the law to steal, right? That's the difference between rules and laws. Now you're going to have an activity where you're going to circle the things that are rules to keep you safe and the things that are laws that everyone in the community has to follow.